Number 8. We'll open this first. Okay, that doesn't hurt. Oh, wrapping paper. Open. Another decoration. Another decoration.
Oh.
It's Woody.
Love it.
Let's put it on the Christmas tree. Oh. That?
Yep.
All right, what's this other one?
All wrapping paper. And now the next one.
It's a good thing YouTube has a 15-minute limit.
Uh-oh. It's another thing. See? It's Beauty and the Beast.
Ah.
It's Beauty and the Beast. See? Beauty and the Beast. Oh, another one. Let's put it right here. Like this.
That works.
Little heavy. We'll do it later. I'll get you a hook, honey.
Open this next one.
How do I open it? I can open it. I can open it. There. This wrapping paper. I think there's something in it. I think there is. I think there is. I think it's another thingy that hangs on there. No, I think it's not. Uh-oh, Hercules.
Oh.
The guy who, and then you press it.
That's it.
Hercules.
That's another ornament.
On Hercules.
That's awesome.
You just, like,
Wow. Very
oh,
cool.
you have to hang on. I think. Here, oh.
Is it an ornament? I think it's just a play guy.